Learn English word. Queasy. Meaning: suffering from nausea, nervous or doubtful feeling. He felt queasy after taking the medicine. He felt queasy after taking the medicine. The sight of blood makes me queasy. The sight of blood makes me queasy. The boat ride made me feel queasy. The boat ride made me feel queasy. The thought of eating bugs makes me queasy. The thought of eating bugs makes me queasy. My stomach feels queasy when I'm nervous. My stomach feels queasy when I'm nervous. The roller coaster made me feel queasy. The roller coaster made me feel queasy. I get queasy when I spin around too much. I get queasy when I spin around too much. The bumpy car ride made me feel queasy. The bumpy car ride made me feel queasy. The strong smell of fish made me queasy. The strong smell of fish made me queasy. The smell of the garbage made me queasy. The smell of the garbage made me queasy. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.